night, are you sorry we drifted apart?
An audience should emerge from this show with joy. The first thing that they should come out is wanting to hear it all over again because the music is great.
I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. That is the hymn that they sang at the funeral of Mr. Sam Cooke. Cupid, drop back your bow and let your arrow go. What a wonderful world this would be.
In the range of guys that are there, I think for every audience member, regardless, there will be people that they will be very familiar with, songs that they'll be very familiar with, and some that they won't. It's the kind of show where you just have to be a little bit ambitious and a little bit brave and maybe a little bit crazy.
Hi, I'm Jeff Buckley. I hardly knew my dad at all. He split before I was born. He didn't really keep in touch with me and my mom. It was like he went off and decided he didn't want to be a father. Like he just wanted to be, you know, Tim Buckley.
Here I am, here I am, waiting to hold you. Oh, mother, I can feel the soft pouring over my head. As I climb into an empty bed, oh, enough said.
What amazing songs, what incredible singers, what a shame that they died so young.
Give me a second grace, please. Give me a second face. I'll fall and fall down the first time around. Now I'll just sit on the ground in your way.
The acknowledgement that this was a whole lot of great talent that could have done so much more, and why wasn't there the help around to be able to do it? I mean, we do significantly see Kurt Cobain at the end kind of saying, this is going to keep on happening. It doesn't end here. This is going to keep happening. Whether that would ever translate into anybody taking any more care, I'm not sure, because of course there is a kind of bloodlust in audiences.